In this video I go further up north along the coast of Australia and explore some cool landscapes along the way.
I climbed up.
Engine is on.
It's raining today and tonight I camped out here in the woods.
It has been raining all night.
I am on the road again, going down from the Queensland Falls that I saw yesterday.
I had driven up the coast of Australia, but we're now all the way up north. I had seen an incredible waterfall up in the mountains, but now I was heading back to the coast. I had a long ways to go.
I just stopped here on the side of the road and I don't know where I'm gonna go today. To a waterfall or to a waterfall? That's the question. I just stopped here along the way to check out another part of this rainforest. Northeast part of Queensland, and this is an area where you can see crocodiles right here on the beach. There are more than 300,000 saltwater crocodiles in Australia, and the Australian government actually wants more crocodiles. And the only reason why they want more crocodiles is because crocodile skin is so expensive. The leather from crocodiles costs $27 per square centimeter. Every once in a while you will see a crocodile head coming up far out there in the waters.
I was going further and further up north in the state of Queensland and along the east coast of Australia. Now I was in the northeast part of the country. There are not many people in Australia. The total population is 25 million people.
This is Mission Beach and the rain has come. Met these three girls that I met a few days ago on a boat trip.
Yay!
Now we're all in my van going from the beach.
It fits.
We all fit in the front seat. I don't like this shit, too much rain.
I then continued the trip on my own to the next waterfall.
This seems pretty calm so far. I am halfway through the hike. I'm on my way to the waterfall. This rainforest is actually really cool. A bunch of cool plants, it's green, it's just been raining and the leaves are shining.
I had now made it to the Josephine Falls, which is a really cool area right in the middle of the forest with lots of natural slides that you can slide on. Also small sand beaches right in the middle of the forest.
There's another waterhole here, but there are crocodiles here. It looks really nice here, but you can't go swimming. You'll get eaten by a crocodile. Just recently people got taken by crocodiles here in this river, which is not good. I don't think I'm going swimming here actually. I'm just now driving away from the waterfall. It seems pretty crazy here. It's been raining like crazy and it's raining like crazy again, but I only have 40 kilometers left to Cairns.
The next morning.
Oh, hello everyone. I'm just sitting here in Cairns, eating a coconut that I got from the coconut tree yesterday. I climbed up and got 3 really big coconuts. So now I'm having a free breakfast. Lots of calories in it. It's 10:15 in the morning and it's like the 6th time that it's raining today. I don't really like it. It's no good. Time to go again. I'm going to another waterfall, of course. Time to go. I'm sitting here waiting for the rain because I'm going to Bowen Falls. I have one advice to give you. If you are going to Cairns, then don't go between November and March because it will be raining all the time. This is the trail leading up to the Bowen Falls.
I really like to go swimming, and perhaps that's why I always go to different waterfalls. But this waterfall was not a great success.
Driving to the next waterfall. I'm here at the next waterfall now and another tropical area. I just got back here into my van and guess what? It's raining again. Can you hear it? Shit rain. I don't know where I'm gonna go. I'm homeless, sleeping in my van. Here we go. Engine is on and I'm on my way. Oh shit weather. Ah!
The sun came out for 2 seconds, but then it was gone again.
Stevenson. Done.
Filling up gas again. Another $60. Where am I gonna go now? I'm just walking here downtown Cairns and there are hundreds of bats flying above my head.
I had completed my trip along the coast of Australia and made it to the city of Cairns, a city with 150,000 people and also the entrance point to the Great Barrier Reef. There's a swimming pool in the middle of the city in Cairns, and that's because the water is dirty and there are crocodiles and other stingers in there. I jumped into the pool and then the evening was coming closer.
Hello, I'm here in my van and guess what? It's raining again. Also have a problem with my van again. The turn signal is not working. I think it might be a blown fuse. Nothing happens. Totally dead. Totally dead. Shit.
Next day I will go out to the Great Barrier Reef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.